now to something else that is all to do with SRK. We are moving on now to the Golden Kela Awards. This is what celebrates the fact that there is good and there is bad. In this case, it's celebrating the worst of Bollywood, the worst actors, the worst everything. Do remember, SRK is also featured right here.
The Golden Kela Awards are over. The organizers celebrated what they say are the movies they hated the most in 2010. And these were the top winners. The award for the most irritating song went to Pilu from the movie Once Upon a Time in Mumbai. The worst actor male was bagged by SRK for My Name is Khan. Interestingly, Shah Rukh won the Best Actor Filmfare Award for the same film. The worst actor female was awarded to Sonam Kapoor for Aisha. Sanjay Leela Bhansali was judged the worst director for his movie Guzarish, which also won the Black Award for emotional blackmail. And finally, the worst casting award went to Jackie Shroff, casted as Shirdi Sai Baba for Malik 8. And not surprisingly, none of these winners were present at the ceremony. Clearly, Bollywood takes itself too seriously and lacks a sense of humor, if not substance.
बॉलीवुड और फिल्म स्टार्स के लिए एक से बढ़कर एक अवार्ड है, लेकिन हम जिस अवार्ड की बात कर रहे हैं वो थोड़ा हटकर है। इस अवार्ड का नाम है केला अवार्ड।
अच्छी एक्टिंग के लिए तो बॉलीवुड में कई अवार्ड्स हैं, लेकिन अगर आप अच्छी एक्टिंग नहीं कर पाए तो भी अवार्ड पा सकते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ है एक केला अवार्ड। ये अवार्ड बताता है कि आपने बॉलीवुड में काम तो किया, लेकिन फैंस की पूरी वाट लगा डाली। मतलब कि ऐसे हीरो हीरोइन है परफेक्ट नॉमिनी केला अवार्ड समारोह के लिए। लेकिन जैसा कि फिल्मी अवार्ड्स के बारे में हमेशा कंट्रोवर्सी रहती है, वैसा ही कुछ केला अवार्ड में भी देखने को मिला। यानी वर्स्ट एक्टर का अवार्ड मिला माय नेम इज खान को।
नजरें झुका के शर्मा के गलियों से गुजरती थी जब भी मिलती थी मुझसे।
और साथ ही सोनम कपूर को मिल गया एक केला। अरे भाई, हमारा मतलब है केला अवार्ड उनकी पूरी परफॉर्मेंस के लिए। इस अवार्ड फंक्शन को होस्ट किया साइरस बरोचा ने।
तो दिस ईयर विशाल भारद्वाज, हबीब फैजल, मिस्टर चौबे और प्रद्युमन सिंह। तो मेरे ख्याल से वी गॉट 3-4 नोन फेसेस, बॉलीवुड की नोन फेसेस, रिस्पेक्टेड फेसेस जो 2010 में नाम कमाया। एंड इन विशाल भारद्वाज इज केस परहैप्स वेरी वेल नोन ऑलराउंडर इन बॉलीवुड। तो मेरे ख्याल से थोड़ा एक कदम आगे गए अवार्ड्स, बट ऑब्वियसली लॉन्ग वे टू गो टिल वी मैच फिल्म फेयर और स्क्रीन और बाकी बड़ी बड़ी जो अवार्ड्स हैं।
केला अवार्ड में शिरकत की विशाल भारद्वाज ने, जिनको उनकी फिल्म इश्किया की सराहना करते हुए एंटी केला अवार्ड मिल गया। केला अवार्ड ही सही, पर बॉलीवुड की इतनी सारी अवार्ड सेरेमनीज में जुड़ गया है एक और नाम।
तेज मसाला में फिलहाल इतना ही, आगे देखेंगे न्यूज नॉनस्टॉप।
After winning almost every popular award for his performance in My Name is Khan, SRK won yet another award for his role. But this time, it was the Golden Kela Awards. Yeah! For those of you who don't know, that's the Desi version of the Razzies. Our correspondent Sushant Mehta has the names of the winners, or shall we say, losers.
It was the third edition of the brash talking
गोलमाल 3 एक्शन रिप्ले, गुजारिश और ब्रेक के बाद का सामना कोई कैसे कर सकता है? कैसे?
celeb lampooning,
उन्हें चोपड़ा, anybody who उन्हें चोपड़ा, any चोपड़ा होने वाली बात है।
Razzie imitating,
Golden Kela Awards. Ding ding ding. इतना लो बजट अवार्ड्स है कि we can't even afford music. I have to do ting 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 from time to time.
Golden Kela Awards, which awarded the best of the worst from Bollywood. And for the first time in 3 years, an A-lister from Bollywood attended the Kela Awards, director Vishal Bharadwaj. And he was honoured with an anti-Kela award for Ishqiyan. Like the name suggests, the anti-Kela is quite the opposite of the Kela Awards. But what if the director was nominated for a Golden Kela for his last release, Saath Khoon Maaf?
First, there's a perception that Saath Khoon Maaf should have been nominated for the Kela Awards. Do you think so?
If you think so, then you are right. You have the right to think what you think is right.
Apparently, even we have to do a little to get a little. The world is a very difficult place. We're not that much different from Filmfare when you think about it.
तो आप उन्हीं से पूछिए, मुझे उसके बारे में कोई रिएक्ट नहीं करना.
Well, coming back to the awards,
खान हो सकता है आप लोगों को मैं थोड़ा सा अलग लगूं.
The year's worst actor went to King Khan for My Name is Khan.
There was that atrocity perpetrated by Mr. Karan Johar and his cohorts.
This Karan Johar film also bagged the Worst Film of the Year award. Sonam Kapoor bagged the Worst Actress award for Aisha.
Anita नहीं आती.
One of the worst actors ever to be born in an actor's house, Sonam Kapoor.
While Sanjay Leela Bansali won the Worst Director award for Guzarish.
I personally felt if that Ethan character died early, the film would have done better.
How early in the film?
In the first frame.
In the first.
Right in the beginning.
In New Delhi, Sushant Mehta.
I don't even want to talk about this.
The Golden Kela for the same movie, which is like the Razzies of Indian Bollywood cinema. Any thoughts on that?
I don't know. I saw the paper today, and I thank you.